Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is engr.ibrahim.omer, and in this tutorial we will model this beautiful propeller in Solidworks. So let's go to Solidworks and let's learn this. So here you can see that I am using Solidworks 2020, but if you are using a below version of Solidworks or a future version of Solidworks, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to here new, select part and select OK. And now we are in SolidWorks interface. So first of all, as usual, I will change my background to plain white and I will set my units to mmgs, that is millimeters grams second. So first of all, we will model the central part of the propeller. So I will go to top plane, sketch, and here I will create a profile. I will create a close profile. So I will start with a line and I will make a horizontal line, then a vertical line, then a horizontal line, and I will close this sketch with an arc like this. Make sure that this is tangent to this line. Now we will dimension it. So let's say this length is 175 millimeters. This vertical line is 40 and this line is 100 millimeters. Now you can see the color of the sketch is turned into black, which means it is fully defined. You can see here as well, the sketch is fully defined. I will exit this sketch. I will go to Revolved Boss base. I will select this line as my axis of revolution, 360 degree, and I will click OK. Now the central part or the rotary part is done. Now we will model the blades. So first of all, we have to create the profile. We will model the blades using Lofted command. So I will go to top plane again, sketch, and here I will create another close profile using a rectangular sketch. So I will select this command, 3-point corner rectangle, and I will make a sketch like this. Let's dimension it. The length is 115. I will drag this sketch to here. The width of the profile is 6 millimeters. And the vertical distance from this point to this point or this origin is 25, and the horizontal distance between these 2 points is 115 millimeters. The angle is 74 degree. And now you can see the color of the sketch is turned into black, which means it is fully defined. I will exit this sketch. And now I will create another profile for the lofted section, but for this we have to create a reference plane. So I will go to here features, reference geometry, plane. For the first reference, I will select top plane. And here I will define a dimension which is 175 or maybe 180, and I will select OK. Now I will select this newly created plane, a sketch, and here I will create another profile using this 3-point corner rectangle command, and I will make one profile like this. This dimension is 31 millimeters. The width is same as 6 millimeters. The length is 200. This angle is 14 degree. And this vertical distance from this point to this origin is 95. Now you can see the color of the sketch is turned into black, which means it is fully defined. I will exit this sketch. I will also hide this plane. And now we can use Lofted command. So I will go to Features, Lofted Boss, and here I am creating solid lofted section. So for the first profile, I will select this one. For the second profile, I will select this one. And now you can see the preview of the lofted section. This is not correct. So I will drag this to here. Now it is correct lofted section and select OK. Let's apply some fillets to this blade. So go to here, fillet, and here I will create a fillet of 65 millimeters. Select this edge, select this edge. OK. We can apply some fillet on the bottom side as well. Let's say we can apply fillet here and here. But for making this tutorial short and precise, it's okay. To create multiple instances of this blade, we will use the command called circular pattern. For the direction, I will select this loop, and for the features and faces, I will select this lofted section and this fillet. And here I will create let's say 5 number of patterns or 5 number of instances of this blade. And when you are satisfied, click OK. Let's apply some appearance or color onto this blade. So let's go to here, appearance, and under appearance I will go to painted, and here I will select, let's say, this appearance. I will change the visual style to shaded, or maybe I will select this one. So that's how you can create a propeller or fan in Solidworks using very simple fundamental commands like Lofted Boss, Revolved Boss, and Fillet. Here is an important message as some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one session for engineers, students on AutoCAD, Solidworks, ANSYS, different engineering topics, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email, and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.